Hello friends. Have you ever wondered how China's largest pig farm raises and ships millions of pigs around the world? With over 3 million pigs processed each year, they're meeting global demand on a massive scale. How do they do it? And what cutting-edge technology makes it all possible? Trending Farm takes a closer look at the operations behind one of the world's leading pork producers. China's pig farming industry is the largest in the world, accounting for nearly half of global pork production. According to the Ministry of Agriculture and Rural Affairs, China raised around 700 million pigs in 2022. The country is also the top consumer of pork, with over 50 million metric tons consumed annually. Industrial-scale farms are increasingly common, with companies like Mozzarella Foods and New Hope Group leading the shift toward high-tech, large-scale pig farming. Despite challenges such as disease outbreaks like African swine fever, the industry continues to modernize and expand, driven by both domestic demand and export opportunities. China's pig farming industry strictly adheres to biosecurity protocols to prevent disease outbreaks, especially after the African swine fever crisis that affected millions of pigs. The Ministry of Agriculture and Rural Affairs requires farms to implement disinfection procedures, control access to farms, and quarantine new pigs. These measures are designed to protect animal health and prevent the spread of infectious diseases. Modern Chinese farms are increasingly equipped with advanced surveillance systems that operate 24/7 to monitor the health and behavior of pigs around the clock. At facilities like Mozzarella Foods, more than 10,000 cameras are deployed across the farm, allowing real-time monitoring of the animal's condition. Trained monitors analyze data from these systems to quickly identify any health issues or behavioral changes, ensuring timely intervention. This system not only improves animal welfare but also optimizes the overall productivity of the farm, significantly reducing labor costs and improving efficiency. Automated feeding systems play a vital role in pig farming in China, streamlining the feeding process and ensuring pigs receive the right amount of nutrition at the right time. These systems help reduce waste and labor costs while promoting optimal growth. The investment in an automated feeding system can vary widely, typically ranging from around $14,000 to $70,000, depending on the size of the farm and the complexity of the system. While the initial cost may seem high, the labor savings and improved feed efficiency often make it a worthwhile investment for many operations. On large pig farms in China, like those run by the Makihara Group, the waste treatment process transforms manure into valuable resources. Each farm generates tens of tons of manure daily, which undergoes solid liquid separation and anaerobic fermentation to produce biogas and nutrient-rich slurry. This biogas serves as cooking fuel, while the processed slurry fertilizes over 2,000 acres of land, reducing local farmers' fertilizer costs by about 200 yuan per acre per year. This circular economy model not only addresses waste disposal issues, but also generates significant profits, with annual organic fertilizer sales reaching approximately 171,000 USD. Livestock waste, often considered a nuisance, has significant value to the agricultural industry, especially when managed properly through waste management systems. By converting manure into organic fertilizer, farmers can improve soil health, improve crop yields, and reduce their reliance on synthetic fertilizers. From an environmental perspective, waste management systems offer many benefits. They reduce the risk of pollution by reducing nutrient runoff into waterways, which can cause harmful algal blooms and other ecological problems. Furthermore, by recycling nutrients back into the soil, farmers can create a closed-loop system that conserves resources and supports biodiversity. Chinese farmers often work closely with various food factories along the pork supply chain. This includes partnerships with food factories, transport companies, and agricultural marketing organizations. This cooperation helps ensure the continuity of pork supply from farm to consumer. When pigs reach the required weight, they are transported to the food factory in specialized transport trucks. Each truck is covered with sawdust to prevent pigs from slipping when standing on the truck. A transport truck can carry around 200 pigs for long periods of time, ranging from 8 to 12 hours. Careful management of the movement from farm to food factory helps Chinese farmers ensure meat quality and optimize their economic production process. As soon as the pigs arrive at the food factory, a dedicated team of experts ensures every step is meticulously managed, maintaining the highest standards throughout the process. After humane processing, the meat is quickly transferred to a cold storage room, where temperatures drop below 40 degrees to effectively prevent any bacterial growth. Once the temperature stabilizes, advanced intelligent machines take over. Capable of processing up to 2,000 pigs an hour, these machines divide the meat into even portions and conduct rigorous scanning to detect any foreign objects or extra bones, ensuring your food is safe and clean. With incredible precision, each piece of meat is thoroughly inspected, giving you confidence in the quality of what you are about to eat. But the process doesn't stop there. Each portion is vacuum-packed to preserve freshness, professionally labeled, and prepared for distribution to supermarkets and stores. As you consider the journey from farm to food factory, you can feel good knowing that strict standards and modern technology go hand in hand to deliver delicious pork. Isn't it comforting to know that behind every delicious meal is a dedicated process focused on quality and safety? Leave your comments below to let us know. And don't forget to subscribe to Trending Farm to continue following the mysteries behind the giant food factory you're thinking about. Hi, my friends. Irrigated agriculture is a cornerstone of U.S. food production, supplying essential raw materials to processing factories and livestock industries. According to the USDA, irrigated farms, though covering less than 20% of cropland, contribute over 54% of total crop sales, highlighting their efficiency. States like California, Nebraska, and Arkansas depend on irrigation to maintain high yields, ensuring a stable supply for food processing. Advances in irrigation, such as transitioning from gravity-fed to pressurized systems, have improved water efficiency, promoting sustainable farming. This evolution strengthens agricultural supply chains, supporting the production of meat, dairy, and processed goods vital to global markets. Large-scale dairy buffalo farms require meticulous care and feeding strategies to optimize milk production. According to USDA data, milk production per buffalo has been steadily increasing due to improved feeding techniques and breeding selection. Water buffalo are typically fed a combination of fresh grass, straw, bagasse, a fibrous sugarcane byproduct, and bran to ensure a balanced diet rich in fiber and nutrients. These feeding practices enhance milk yield and quality, which is critical for processing factories that manufacture dairy products. The U.S. Economic Research Service emphasizes the importance of efficient dairy management systems to sustain production growth and meet global demand. Buffalo milk production begins when a buffalo gives birth to its first calf, typically between 3 to 4 years of age. Compared to cow milk, buffalo milk has a significantly higher fat content, typically around 7 to 8%. And contains more protein and minerals, making it highly valued for premium dairy products such as mozzarella cheese, yogurt, and butter. Modern large-scale dairy farms are adopting advanced milking technologies, including rotary milking systems with up to 70 chambers. These systems improve efficiency, hygiene, and milk yield, benefiting both farmers and consumers. In countries like India and Pakistan, where buffalo milk accounts for a substantial share of dairy production, integrated processing factories ensure high-quality dairy products. In the U.S., dairy production is increasingly consolidated, with cooperative-owned processing facilities enhancing milk utilization. The production of buffalo mozzarella cheese begins with the careful transport of raw buffalo milk to a processing factory, where strict hygiene and quality control measures ensure safety. The milk undergoes rigorous testing for fat, protein levels, bacteria, and antibiotic residues before being processed. Next, the pasteurization process eliminates harmful bacteria while preserving the milk's rich natural flavor. The cheese-making process involves curdling the milk using rennet and natural whey starter, leading to the formation of curds. These curds are then stretched in hot water to achieve the signature texture of mozzarella. Finally, the cheese is packaged and distributed to supermarkets and restaurants worldwide, ensuring its freshness and quality. Research highlights the crucial role of microbial composition in shaping the final product. Buffalo meat is a highly nutritious protein source, often compared to beef but with distinct advantages. According to the FAO, buffalo meat contains more iron and less fat than conventional beef, making it a lean yet mineral-rich alternative. Processing facilities ensure strict hygiene measures, with meat categorized based on lean muscle content, connective tissue, and bones. Advanced grading systems help maintain quality and safety standards. Buffalo meat is widely consumed across Asia, particularly in India, Thailand, Indonesia, and Vietnam, where it plays a crucial role in traditional cuisines. Popular dishes include Indonesian rendang, Indian buffalo biryani, and Thai spicy buffalo salad. With increasing global demand, buffalo meat is now featured in gourmet markets and specialized restaurants worldwide, catering to consumers seeking healthier red meat options. Water buffalo farming plays a crucial role in sustainable agriculture, particularly in waste management and energy production. Manure from buffalo farms is widely used for biogas generation, significantly reducing methane emissions while providing a renewable energy source. According to the FAO, advanced biogas purification technologies have been developed to improve efficiency and scalability, allowing farms to generate electricity for local communities and farm operations. Additionally, composted manure is a valuable organic fertilizer, enhancing soil health and reducing reliance on synthetic fertilizers. These sustainable practices contribute to a circular economy, where waste is minimized and resources are repurposed effectively. Future advancements in processing factories aim to further integrate eco-friendly technologies, ensuring long-term environmental and economic benefits.
AI technologies are gradually developing and created by human hands. What if each processing factory gradually has fewer people working? Please share your thoughts below in the comments section of this video. And lastly, don't forget to recommend the channel to your friends so they can watch too. Thank you and goodbye. See you again in the next videos.